installation ceremony ni Sir Dionisio Liwagon Jr., OIC Schools Division Superintendent, gipahigayon kagahapon nga gitambungan ni DepEd Regional Director Ruth Puentes sa Region 10, mga opisyalis ning dakbayan sa pagpanguna ni Osamis City Mayor Sam Norman Puentes uban ni Vice Mayor Bibi Neri, mga konsyal, school heads, mga principal, supervisor ug mga kawanis sa Division Office. Sa mensahe ni DepEd Regional Director Ruth Puentes atol sa maong kalihukan, iyang giuna pagbisita ang Division Office ug iyang nakita ang mga kakulangon hinungdan nga ang lokal nga kagamhanan may support sa mga kakulangon sa dibisyon ug bulahan ta sa Misamis Occidental kay gihatag ang support sa mga leader.
I go for development. Actually, the vision that I really want to emphasize here is a leadership with competence, compassion, and character. Yun lang, 3 C's lang. Competence can be developed. Character can be developed. And compassion is something that it should come from the heart. It's dedication. When I learned about the presence of the school heads that will be here today, I said, sige na nga Sir Johnny, papayag na ako sa grand welcome mo sa akin. I normally just go around the division and the school, just sometimes unannounced, for me to see what's actually happening in the field. Because if there's one thing I hate, I don't like sugarcoating what's really happening in the field. And the reason why I said yes is because I really want to engage with the school heads, which I cannot possibly visit all single schools in my entire, perhaps some of you I may have an opportunity to visit, no, but not everyone, kasi I have, well, 4,500 schools in the entire Region 10. But why am I putting premium on your role as school heads? School leaders can actually spell a lot of difference, and you create the culture in the school. You can make and unmake your school. In terms of support, you're so blessed and fortunate because I think institutionalized in the area of the whole Misamis Occidental, wherein the local government really put premium and investing on education.
Si DepEd Regional Director 10 Ruth Puentes mihatag usab sa iyang inaugural message si OIC Schools Division Superintendent Dionisio Liwagon.
As the officer in charge of the Office of the Schools Division Superintendent, I now call upon each and every one of you, our division office personnel as well as the school-based personnel, to join me in ushering an era of leadership grounded in transparency, efficiency, and accountability. While we commit to sustain the legacy of the leaders who came before us by continuing their initiatives like the GURO or Growth Upgrading, Resource Optimization, and Organizational Effectiveness of former SDS Rebon Famil R. Baguio, who is now an Assistant Regional Director in Region 11. The sparkling diamonds of our beloved SDS Dr. Jean G. Veloso, CESO 5. The Pandong Principals of SDS Dr. Nympha R. Lago, CESO 6. And the recent Step Up and Sparkle Osamis Diamonds and Keepers of SDS Madam Lorena P. Serrano, CESO 6, who really wishes to join us but on personal travel. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to start my journey by pushing our personal set of values. My personal, and I'm encouraging you to join me, it will become our collective values and principles.
Si Dionisio Liwagon, OIC SDS Osamis City Division, alang sa DXDD Radio Campana, ang radio sa simbahan, W45 Dudong Bargamento, muluyog si ka-75 nga jubilyo sa simbahan sa Archdiocese sa Osamis Tanag, Sarakbayan.